Samsung has launched its new 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M36, with monster AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M36 5G features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1380 chipset, paired with Mali G68MP5 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy M36 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 123-degree field of view, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15, based on One UI 7 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 6 years of OS and security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's break down pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M36 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,499 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 20,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 12th, in orange haze, serene green, and velvet black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M36 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.